Hello, I'm Katie Jerram-Hunnable. I'm Renwick Sons Showing Ambassador. I'm here today to talk you through using the kit. So here are the tools. This is the rubber curry comb. Is my favourite part of the grooming kit. The reason being, it's not too hard, as in a lot of grooming rubber curry combs, they're very sharp and they can bruise the end of their coat. This has got lovely soft nipples on it, that pliable. It acts not only as a rubber curry comb, it massages the body and the body loves it. Beautifully made, hand Velcro fastening, so it fits your hand absolutely perfectly. So it'll fit from large to small. Lovely fit, you can get a nice grip. The most important thing is using a rubber curry comb is you have a hard hold on your hand so you can press it into the coat and massage the muscles.